Hello and welcome to our channel. In our previous video, we discussed about how to download Raspberry Pi OS and flash SD card with downloaded OS. So, now we are going to run Raspberry Pi for the first time. Here is our Raspberry Pi Model 3B Plus. At first, plug your keyboard and mouse also. Then you have to insert your flashed SD card to Raspberry Pi. If you are not able to flash SD card, then watch my previous video, link in the description. Connect HDMI cable which is connect to your display or monitor. Finally, plug your micro USB cable for power supply. Power supply must be 5 volt and minimum 2 ampere. Now look at the monitor. You can see power symbol at the corner which indicate that you are using less than 2 ampere power supply. This is the welcome note from Raspberry Pi OS. You can see the officially Raspberry Pi starts now. You have to complete few steps before using it. Click on the next to begin steps or begin startup. It's time to set your location details. Select your country, select language and time zone also. Do not forget to click on US keyboard. We mostly using the US keyboard, so you have to click on the US keyboard check bar. Change Raspberry Pi password from Raspberry to your own. Password must be strong. Skip this step if you don't have internet connection. And again skip. Finally, Raspberry Pi setup is completed. To apply change your setup, restart Raspberry Pi by clicking restart button. After successfully restarting Raspberry Pi, you can use your Raspberry Pi as your desktop computer or use in your various projects also. This is enough for today's video. For other tutorial, you can visit my channel. Thank you for watching.